Alright, so after like a 6 or 7 week wait, Laura's brakes finally came in. So I'm gonna have her come down and unbox these, and we'll take a look and see how they survived the journey from Germany. Oh, Laura! Come here.
What?
Got you something. I got you an air fryer.
It looks like packing peanut.
Nice. Alright, caliper 1, caliper 2, caliper 3,
This tool bench is a little too tall for me.
caliper 4, yeah. And here are a set of brakes off of a '04 to '07 STI. We think the packing tape said Hawkeye, so that would be '06, '07. They are the gold colored Subaru Brembos. They're in really good condition for like the year. There's a couple scratches on that one, but not a big deal. I think they look okay, but if we want to touch them up, we can touch them up. And next, I need to order rotors, pads, and stainless steel brake lines. I'm using a mix of '04 STI front rotors, and I'll use all '04 STI brake lines, the ones I just bought for my car. And then the rears are a little bit trickier. The fronts will bolt right on. The rears need a new bracket, so I'm going to have to order the bracket, and then they require a special rotor because the e-brake shoes that go on the inside of the rotor are a different size. There's a couple options of different rotors that we can buy. I think I have the set in mind that I'm going to buy, so I just need to order all that stuff and we'll be able to put them on. And then the tricky thing is, right now the winter wheels that are on the Outback don't fit over these brakes. This was the most important part. These were the hardest part to find. I took a gamble, I think, ordering them from Germany, but it ended up paying off.
Do we want to tell the fine people how much you paid for these lovely brakes out of Germany?
These were 1,100. So I was seeing them anywhere from 12 to 1,500, no, 12 to 1,600 in the United States. There was actually a set locally and they were 1,600, and I refused to pay that, so I was going to wait till after Christmas and lowball the guy like 1,200, but they sold before I could do that. So these popped up and the shipping was relatively reasonable, so I figured I would just shoot for these. These Brembos have an issue where when they get really hot, so if someone was tracking their STI, they turn more of a brown color. People call them brown bows, and that's a thing that's happened. That's what happened with mine. That's why they were already painted when I got the car, and then I ended up just painting them black to not have to deal with it. But these are in great condition. It doesn't look like the color's changed at all. Like I said, there's a couple chips here, not really too bad. There's a couple straight marks here. It looks like someone might have put a wheel that was a little too close, or maybe like a wheel weight hit the top of that one. But mostly you see the face, so if we can just cover up a couple of the chips on that one over there, we should be good. The rears look like they're perfect. There's a little bubbling from heat, but nothing crazy. I'm really happy with these.
Thank you.
Welcome. Merry Christmas.
Alright, stay tuned for more of the Outback mods. More
Brake
to come.
upgrade, yeah.
Brake upgrade.